Good morning, vlog. Happy new week. I hope that everybody had a great weekend. I got here a little bit early so I could film some content this morning. Thought I would start off the vlog. So we have a busy week this week. We are in the midst of updating a lot of our email funnels, a lot of behind the scenes stuff that it takes to run an agency like ours. Hopefully this week we don't film anything in slow-mo, because if you missed last week's debacle, we're not doing that again. So let's jump in. Log-a-doodle-doo.
Log-a-doodle-doo.
What are you working on?
A weekly stream schedule for Adobe.
Can we see an overview of your whole screen? Very cute. We do this every week. Go in and customize all of this, right?
Yeah, it's just replacing thumbnails, but yeah.
This is like the key in having like templates set up, is that we're working smarter, not harder. And you're using Adobe Express today. Something fun happened in Adobe Express last week. What was it?
They added new animations to some of the stuff. Turbulence.
Turbulence. Oh.
Monkey. It's like a flag.
You said flag. I was going to say it's like looking in like water that's rippling. Animations is one of the best ways to add movement to your carousels or graphics and keep people engaged in your content. This seems top secret, so we won't come too close.
I was like, I'm going to go back to what I was just doing, maybe. This is just someone telling me she's sick, so she needs to give me her video a week later, which is fine. Feel better, Christina. I'm going through my email because, oh my God.
Whoa.
Hello?
Man.
Ah! I'm scared. I was just going through my email because we had a long weekend. Happy Family Day, which just means more emails to go through and DMs.
I am coming up with some ideas. So I'm planning TikToks for the week. So I'm getting a little bit of inspiration online. So this morning I'm just sort of planning that so this week goes smoothly so we can post some more videos this week.
Good morning.
Yogurt and all.
Yeah, you know, I got a yogurt upgrade.
Oh.
I got Greek yogurt. It's better for me. I'm working on our vlog from last week. I'm editing her up.
What are our lessons we learned about vlogs?
We learned that we need to plug ourselves more. Go join the Socialista club.
We're now in my office because if you remember from last week, we had Charlotte, who was my mentee through the Adobe Creative Apprenticeship Program, come into the office. Today is our last mentorship session together. And today we're going to be talking about career growth tips and just some last minute things as she gets ready to spread her wings and go on her way. Hi, Charlotte. How are you?
I agree. Good. How are you?
Good. I can't believe today is our last call.
No, right?
I think the biggest, the differentiating feature between an agency versus in-house is when you're working in-house, if you think about it, you're only ever working within one set of brand guidelines. And if your goal is eventually to be freelance, it doesn't serve that end goal. If agency is the route that they're going to look for, is how deep can you go with this brand and the designs that are needed. And it's not something a lot of designers are focusing on because they're focused on building wide with their portfolio instead of building deep into certain projects. We have loved seeing Charlotte grow over the last couple of weeks. We've literally walked through everything with her through her time with us. That sounds like a death. She has figured out which route she wanted to go with her design career. We've updated her portfolio, so many things. Yeah, if you were creative or you're in the creative space and you would like some tips and tricks on how to take your portfolio to the next level or how to use Instagram to build a personal portfolio, we do actually have a free guide. We'll link it in the descriptions box. Definitely download it. It is everything that I did when I was starting socials and stilettos. So how's it going?
I was just saying I've been editing this vlog for the last 2 vlogs.
Sorry, I have had revisions. I always have some to say.
Yeah.
You dummy. We also on the weekend hit a huge milestone. We hit 10K. Yay! A lot of people think that it's easier to hit big milestone numbers like 10K than it actually is as a brand. Building as a content creator and building as a brand are two very, very different things. So if you would like to know more about our journey and how we hit that milestone, let us know. We might already be working on something for you. Yay! What did you bring us?
Balloons.
Me just walking by Amanda's desk and seeing Frosty's nose captured.
As we all know, I have really bad period cramps. Now you know. If you have bad period cramps.
And now we're off to tidy up my office because we are actually interviewing today. We're currently hiring our next unicorn. And by unicorn, I mean Socialista. So somebody who can film, edit, create content for our clients, basically do all the things. We're going to be interviewing two girlies. I am a picky hirer. Today I'm gonna bring Amanda with me because, you know, we're hiring somebody to essentially like step into the role that Amanda used to be in, which is like dealing with a lot of client content and client stuff. I'm hoping that having Amanda in the interview with me, she'll be able to kind of help me gauge if somebody is like the right fit, because really what we're trying to do is clone Amanda.
Let's play Guess What Amanda's working on.
The vlog!
I'm currently doing the description and everything. We just had some interviews. Top secret. Cannot expand more on that.
If you think that you would be the perfect fit for Team Socialistas based off of the chaotic mess that we are on the daily and what we do, you know your application link is going to be in the description box.
This is our call for help.
Help! Somebody help us! Help! Help! Help!
Help me!
Help is on the way, dear.
Actually, please help me. Please. There's so much to do and not enough hours in the day. We're scared because it's gonna snow tomorrow, but it's like it's giving the calm before the storm.
Literally. So we will see you tomorrow, vlog, and until then, happy Wednesday morning. We were anticipating a snowstorm. It seems like I worked a little magic, as Lauren would say. And the weather is not weathering, but it's manageable. So we're gonna keep our eye on it today. Olivia's back in the office today. I think is gonna be her first batch filming day, which is gonna be exciting for her. Chris is working on Adobe graphics. Like I think we have just everyone is so deep in their own thing today. I already told you I'm working on redoing our funnels. So last night I was literally awake till 3 a.m. No joke. This is a sneak peek of my voice note to chat. Welcome to my life. And she was just gassing me right up. This is CEO energy right here. The one thing about ChatGPT that I will like ride or die for is like my midnight millions of ideas, spitting them out and then having chat consolidated into a list that I can look back at the next day. Life hack. Let me know how you use ChatGPT in the comments below.
Midday check-in. It is terrifying out there. Insert footage of last night, the calm before the storm. Currently, I'm hustling away on our content. I actually just finished cooking up content, and I'm gonna have Miss Thing review it.
Here are content ideas and how I would be showing up online. Besides whatever socials. I didn't look at the captions, but as long as the captions are all good, it's great to me.
Okay. What are you working on?
Helping Amanda out with rough cuts of the vlog. This vlog, actually. We're trying a different method. We're gonna try like chopping.
As the days go on, we'll chop.
I'm terrified to drive in this weather. Just making a caption for this video, a little sneak peek. Exciting. We're gonna go viral. Are we viral yet?
trying to figure out how to ship this package back to the Philippines. Abby, I swear you will get this package one day. I might just need to fly to the Philippines myself. Now I'm doing community engagement for Adobe.
I'm doing these Women's Month Spotlight graphics for Adobe Live, and I get to use all the creators' elements that they've made.
It's like ice. We're having a pizza party. Yay! And Lauren's gonna have fish. Good morning, vlog. I think we forgot to end the vlog yesterday, but here we are. Girlies are filming TikToks. Yay! Me and Lauren wore merch today unplanned, so we're doing a fit check. Yay!
So today I'm wearing my this could have been an email. So I'm actually wearing my one of a kind in oatmeal. Do you guys want oatmeal? Let us know. I eat oatmeal every single morning, so my jeans are from Zara. My shoes, I think they're from Aldo. And my little socks are from some random store in the mall in like grade 7.
I'm wearing my main character energy sweater in pearl, in cloud.
It's just like
Link in bio to shop. Lucas's jeans. My thrifted Cat in the Hat fuzzy ballet flats. And this hat my mom got me from Finland. I don't know where it's from.
you probably have seen me share this coffee a few times in the vlog. I'm gonna tell you about this, but you can't go clear the shelves out. This is by Our Finest. When you put a little bit of like a caramel syrup in it, I do sugar-free because I'm being healthy and skinny over here. Can you smell it? Good morning, vlog. Happy Friday, last day of the week. Yeah, I'm trying not to talk so much in these things because Amanda had to cut like 30 minutes of me talking already. So if you know, you know. This is Chris's daily ritual.
It is. I've cut down on the no donut anymore.
No donut.
I'm skinny now.
This is my daily oatmeal. Some almond butter, raspberries, blueberries, chia. And then my mom just got this new gut health powder.
Oh.
You see sprinkled. And I believe that might be elk. But apparently it's supposed to be good for my skin, which has been breaking out.
I forgot my Greek yogurt today. So today I am working on a lot of top secret Socialista Club stuff. Can't share much, but lots of exciting things coming. And if you're not in the Socialista Club yet, link is in the description.
We are filming the reality TV show Edit Trend, so here's a little bit of behind the scenes.
I haven't taken one sip of this tea yet. I'm thirsty.
Okay, are we ready?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Wait, Dylan, did you use the pink sparkle emoji?
I used the right one, so.
Can you show me your most recently used emojis then?
Well, Brittany never actually said to listen to you, so.
So we're doing our confessionals for this reality TV show Edit, and I'm setting everything up.
I don't remember adding brown to our brand palette, and I really don't ask for much, but I just think that Brittany has some nerve. I think it's really rich coming from someone who... I love how you start and you're like, I get it, but that's a rich. Like,
So to give you the truth about the red heart drama,
you're ending this off.
Okay.
Okay. What's your perspective on the red heart situation?
And because we don't do boring, we also... My, how the day has flown. Dylan, you have not been on the vlog today, I don't think. Uh-oh, that's not good. Well, now you're on the vlog.
I was doing a lot of community engagement and community management with one of our clients again. I really enjoy that kind of work. It gets me in the mood. I did have a nap at lunch. I watched an episode of The Pit, if anybody's watching that.
Doodly vlog. And that brings us to the end of our week. I hope that you all enjoyed coming behind the scenes with us and were entertained by our team. If you want to see more content like this, let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay social.